In this video, let me show you how to fix Gmail cannot send email. Now there are a few cases that might have happened. The first one is you'll need to check for the bounce back messages. In certain situation, the network has a issue. So in this situation, whenever you try to send an email, the email would not be sent and you would get a bounce back message either on the notifications panel, or you might be able to see it within the drafts section as well. So make sure you check that out first of all. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you need to ensure is that your Google storage has space. If your Google storage is running out of space, this might be the exact issue that you're facing. Now, if this is not the case with you as well, the other thing that you'll also need to check is the attachment size. So the maximum size allowed within the attachments folder is going to be 25 MB. If you're exceeding the 25 MB limit, you would not be able to send that particular email. So make sure you reduce the file size in order to send the new email again. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache or the browser cache if you're using Gmail on your browser. If you're using it on the app application on your phone, you can simply tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you can simply tap on clear cache. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Gmail cannot send email. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.